Maki Island is about an island that used to be in the middle of Kapi'olani Park before they drained it in the 1920s and made the Alawai Canal. But people used to go out there on Sundays and have a wonderful time, just like you're having today. And they would go out there with their picnics and their families, and they would enjoy the day with their guitars and ukulele. And then in the afternoon, when the sun would go down a little bit, the adults would look at each other and were silent. Then they would take the kids home, and then they came back. Now, what do you think they did? Sometimes they came back in twos, sometimes threes, maybe five. So the island was small, you know, so you had to bring a blanket. This is done in the old style of the Hawaiian music called the hula kui. Makia ilana ke aloha aina I ka ehu o ke kai. How come you guys dancing so far apart? Move together. Oh, Makia ilana ke aloha aina I ka ehu o ke kai.
See how we have everybody just jump up and help